Welcome back to another video, and this is about the Brooklyn rainstorm. I have a bunch of footage on this, so let me show you. Oh, what are you? Are you a B-52, or are you in service, or... okay, the rain got heavier. I can feel the raindrops dashing against my head, but the umbrella's protecting me from it. Look at my red umbrella. Ooh, right. Oh my god. Wait, why is it actually raining so much? Damn. My shoes are getting kind of wet. Maybe I should move it. Bye, losers. Bums. Bye, loser. Get out of here. Go home, buddy. Oh my god. That red light took like a minute, bro. Oh, no. Don't fly. Oh, oh, it's leaving us. Ah! Oh, no. So, as shown, there was a B-52 that was actually in service, but I thought it was an error at first because it said NYCT bus, but then it just skipped us. And there was like people in there. I saw it myself. I think it's because of the rain. Maybe the rain, or it was like packed. I didn't really get to see much, but I think it was because of the weather. And right after that bus left, my umbrella's top flipped over, and then my friend was there too, waiting for it, like, because we both wanted to get like a quicker ride to the bus stop for the B-44 at Nostrand. But when it left us, we had to do the complicated way and the most painful way. We had to walk to Nostrand. But the reason why it's going to be painful for this is because as we walk down, like 8 other kids are with us, and we walk down, and then we start getting pushed like crazy from the wind. And then right as we get under the trees, it like stops for a moment. It calms down. And I'm going to say, look, right as the trees disappear, like right as you get to Nostrand, it's going to get worse. Right as you left the trees, you get blown heavily by the winds. We're like trying to fight for our life. Our umbrellas kept flipping. Our umbrellas are like malfunctioning. Everybody was getting pushed into each other. And as you get closer and closer to Nostrand, it got worse and worse. So, like, right as when I was on Nostrand, my friends are still on Gates. They're like almost at Nostrand, like a few steps away. But the wind then pushed me to them while they're fighting off the wind. And then I collide. My umbrella collides with someone else's umbrella. And then it just goes crazy. It's like a spiral. And yeah, it just keeps on happening. And it was very, very bad. Because during that moment, most of the kids had their umbrellas broken. Yes, their umbrellas broke to the sheer powerful wind. That's how it legit broke. That's how strong the wind is. It was 50 miles per hour. Let me show you like some images of my friends. Their broken umbrellas. I'm going to show it to you. This is my friend's umbrella. As you can see like a cord. It's ripped off the umbrella. And this is the same umbrella. You could see that the entire handle ripped off, and now it's just a piece of metal. And this is my other friend's. You can't really see it, but the cords are ripped off too. Now, here's the struggle of getting into public transportation. God! Oh my God! Ah! Let us in! Let us in! Please! Oh my God!
Oh, this shit won't even close, y'all.
Oh my God, we're saved. Sorry. Wait, it's so serious. Wait, I'm gonna close it now. Oh my God. Yo! Yo, that actually felt like a hurricane. I'm dead being serious.
Bro, you do not know what a hurricane feels like, bro.
Oh shit.
You weren't even alive for hurricanes, man.
Oh my god.
I'm about to break this again.
Break it? So, as we got into the bus, we started, like, begging for mercy because, like, the weather was, like, very, very strong. And we didn't want to keep dealing with it because, but, like, right as we got into Notion, the weather was very horrible. And we got pretty lucky that the select bus actually stopped for us. So, we overall got pretty lucky, and that's a good thing. Because if we took the local, I think it would have been worse. But then I took it to a few stops. Thankfully, I didn't get off at Fulton because that would have been crazy. Station would have been flooded. So I'm lucky I didn't deal with that. But as I go down the Nostrand on the 44, I then reach my stop at Flatbush Avenue, and I see this. Bro, the 103's coming, bro. We gotta go. I'm not dealing with this. Actually, I don't think we have to run for it. Oh, God. This is the aftermath. Holy. This is just horrible. 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 I can't believe it. Oh. Goodness. My umbrella inverted. Come on. Oh my, look at the water. Look at the water spilling from that 103. Goodness. Holy. There is like a small flood on Flatbush Avenue right now. At Flatbush Avenue Station, we're at Flatbush Junction, Triangle Junction. Look at what's happening. Look at what we're witnessing. It feels like a hurricane right now. Okay, I don't really need an analysis for this, but as you can see, Flatbush Avenue and Notion are kind of flooded. Water coming down the bus, that's how bad it was. But it was even worse when I actually got off my 103 stop. And it was very, very flooded, so I'm going to show you.
I'll just walk down 102nd for today. I'm not gonna go down 100 first. Oh my god.
This is bad. Oh. This rain is insane. Look, at least the wind is gone. Well, it's the wind is gone, but the rain is even worse.
What the hell? What the hell is this?
Oh, this is like God's tears. Oh my God. Oh
My god.
I'm gonna call my mom. Rain. Oh.
Ew. It's all over my socks. Help! Help me! Help me! Ah! No!
Help! 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 I'm trespassing!
I can't do this.
No, I'm not trespassing. Oh!
Oh my god! This is too bad! This is too bad!
Oh! 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 No! Damn it!
No!
Ah! Ah!
What the hell?
Ah! As you can clearly tell, I was clearly suffering through that insane weather. It was so bad I had to go on grass to step over the huge puddle that was covering the sidewalk. I should have walked on 101 because 101 actually had less rainwater than 102nd. The only thing that was blocking my path was just the big puddle. I should have just ran through it if I was going to get more water if I ran down 102nd. But I guess that's the way how it is. I got very unlucky. And hopefully that doesn't happen again when another rainstorm comes in. Last rainstorm that came in was like August, but it wasn't as bad as this. This one actually had strong wind, and both of them flooded my front yard. So that's pretty crazy to see. And I'll show you another video of how the bus was like. Just imagine I jumped though while it was happening. I wonder what would happen. Probably nothing because of physics. Or I get like sent a little bit back. Because normally if I jump I'll get flown. I don't think that's happening.
This stop is Glenwood Road and East 80th Street.
Someone stop a question. Watch what happens. Watch. Look how the door opens. It's raining down. This is what happened with me. It was way more than this. Huge raindrops. Like, huge. That's how crazy it is. This video took me 3 days to edit because I was kind of lazy, but that's not the topic. So overall, it was a pretty crazy day. Lots of stuff happening. Huge flood. Flooded my front yard. Probably flooded a few people's basements. And the subway station was also probably flooded because that day the C train was delayed due to floods at Utica Avenue. But hopefully, and thankfully it's gone. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. And rest in peace to the 2 lives lost during that insane rainstorm. The rainstorm was very bad. Killed 2 people. One in Brooklyn and another one in like Harlem, I think, in Manhattan. I'm not too sure. But overall, it was a pretty bad day. But now that it's gone, we'll have a better day. And make sure to stay safe like this. Be prepared for this. Fight with all you got. Try to stay united. And you could spread your distance. It's best to spread your distance. But you might want to stay united so you can have protection, because you may never know what can happen to you. So overall, I hope everybody stays safe and have a nice day.